The possibilities of AI are endless for scaling your business faster than ever before. Here's 6 master AI tools that you can use to scale your business fast. Before we dive into the first tool, let me ask you this question. If you had a team of over 100 employees working for you, and it cost you $100 to hire each one of them, would you be able to save more money by hiring more people or by implementing automation? Let me know in the comments. The answer is obvious. Yes, it will be cheaper to implement some sort of automation, but the reality is most entrepreneurs do want to do this because they simply do want to have the technical knowledge or the resources to implement this. But now there is a way you can do it without any technical expertise and without even hiring anyone. With just a few clicks of a button, you can automate almost every aspect of your business, and that is exactly what I want to show you in today's video. Here are 6 powerful tools that will help you scale your business with the power of AI. Before we dive into these tools, let's take a moment to understand why you need to leverage AI to scale your business. The world today is changing at a rapid pace, and if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you must embrace new technologies. One such technology is artificial intelligence, which has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. But despite its many benefits, businesses are often hesitant to adopt AI simply because it's something new and unfamiliar. However, if you want to remain competitive and thrive in the long run, you must overcome this hesitation and start leveraging AI in your business. So make sure to watch this video until the end, so you don't want to miss out on any of the valuable insights and actionable steps. Let's get started with the first tool. Introducing Auto, a platform that automates repetitive tasks and workflows in your business. With Auto, you can easily automate your day-to-day operations such as email marketing, social media posting, and lead generation without any technical expertise. You can choose from a library of hundreds of pre-built automations or create your own custom automation workflows. Auto integrates with various popular apps and services such as MailChimp, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, making it easy to connect your existing tools and streamline your workflows. Now here's the best part. You can use Auto to automate your customer support responses. By setting up automated messages, you can quickly respond to common customer inquiries without having to manually type out the same response over and over again. This can save you a lot of time and ensure that your customers get the information they need quickly. So whether you're running an e-commerce store, a service-based business, or anything in between, Auto can help you automate your workflows and free up your time to focus on other areas of your business. Start building your automations today and watch your business grow. Introducing Design, an AI-powered design tool that allows you to create professional-looking designs in minutes without any design skills. With Design, you can generate high-quality images, graphics, and videos simply by typing in a text prompt. It's perfect for creating marketing materials, social media posts, website graphics, and more. The best part about Design is that it's easy to use. You don't need any design skills or software to get started. You can start creating your designs right away by typing in your ideas and selecting from a wide range of templates and elements. Whether you're looking to create a social media post, a banner, or a logo, Design has got you covered. You can also use Design's advanced features such as background removal and object masking to create complex designs with ease. And the best thing is that you can try it completely free. So if you're ready to take your design skills to the next level, visit the website and sign up for a free account today. Copy, a tool that helps you generate high-quality content instantly with AI. With Copy, you can create blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and more in just a matter of seconds. It's perfect for businesses that need to create a lot of content quickly, such as e-commerce stores, marketing agencies, and content creators. What sets Copy apart from other AI writing tools is its ability to generate content that is not only grammatically correct, but also engaging and readable. You can choose from a variety of writing styles and tones to suit your brand's voice and target audience. In addition, Copy's content is always original and never recycled, ensuring that you get fresh, unique content every time. So if you're looking to create high-quality content quickly and easily, look no further than Copy. Try it today and see how it can save you time and boost your productivity. Jasper, an all-in-one AI marketing platform that helps you create high-quality content, optimize your website, and run effective ad campaigns. With Jasper, you can generate blog posts, articles, social media posts, and more with just a few clicks. Its AI-powered content suggestions ensure that you're always creating relevant and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. In addition, Jasper helps you optimize your website and content for SEO, making it easier for your target customers to find you online. Jasper also offers advanced analytics and reporting features so you can track the performance of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. So whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, Jasper is the perfect tool to help you take your online presence to the next level. Now let's move on to the next tool. Introducing Calendly, an AI-powered scheduling tool that makes it easy for customers to book meetings with you or your team. With Calendly, you can reduce the back-and-forth emails and phone calls that are typically involved in scheduling a meeting. Instead, customers can simply book a time slot that works for them, taking into account your team's availability and time zone. Calendly integrates with your calendar and sends automatic reminders so you never have to worry about a missed meeting again. It's the perfect solution for businesses that rely on meetings to generate leads, close deals, and provide customer support. So if you're ready to streamline your scheduling process and improve your productivity, sign up for Calendly today. And finally, let's talk about Keynote, an AI-powered presentation tool that allows you to create professional-looking presentations in minutes. With Keynote, you can generate high-quality slide decks simply by typing in a text prompt. It's perfect for creating presentations for business meetings, investor pitches, and educational purposes. Keynote offers a wide range of templates and design elements to choose from, making it easy to create a visually appealing presentation. You can also use Keynote's advanced features such as animation and transitions to create a dynamic and engaging presentation. Plus, Keynote integrates with popular cloud storage services, making it easy to share and collaborate with others. So if you're looking to create professional-looking presentations quickly and easily, look no further than Keynote. Sign up for a free account today and start creating your amazing presentations. In today's fast-paced business environment, it's essential to leverage technology to streamline your operations and stay ahead of the competition. These tools offer a range of solutions from automating your workflows to generating high-quality content and presentations, all powered by the latest AI technology. By incorporating these tools into your business, you can increase productivity, reduce costs, and provide a better customer experience. So why wait? Start exploring these tools today and take your business to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you're ready to take your business to the next level with the power of AI, I highly recommend checking out my comprehensive guide on mastering AI for business growth. In this guide, I cover everything from the basics of AI to advanced strategies for using it to scale your business. I also share with you real-life examples and case studies of businesses that have successfully leveraged AI to achieve massive growth. Plus, I give you step-by-step instructions on how to implement the strategies I discuss in the guide. So if you're really serious about growing your business and you want to learn how to use AI to do it, then this guide is for you. Don't wait any longer. Get your copy today and start taking advantage of the incredible opportunities that AI presents for your business. See you in the next video.